Okay, if we're given any inequality bounded by a parabola, we want to sketch a graph. Number one, we're going to graph the parabola as if it were an equation. This is the boundary for the region that is the solution set. Number two, if the boundary is included in the region, the operator is less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, then the parabola is graphed as a solid line. Number three, if the boundary is not included in the region, and the operator is less than or greater than, then the parabola is graphed as a dashed line. Number four, we're going to test a point in one of the regions to determine whether it satisfies the inequality statement. If the statement is true, the solution set is the region including the point. If the statement is false, then the solution set is the region on the other side of the boundary line. And then number five, we're going to shade the region representing the solution set. So here what we're going to do is we want to graph the inequality y is greater than x squared plus 1. Now first we're going to graph the corresponding equation y equals x squared plus 1. So what we do is we have our parabola x squared and then we shift it up 1 unit. Now since y is greater than x squared plus 1 has a greater than symbol, then we have to draw the graph with a dashed line. Then we choose points to test both inside and outside the parabola. So inside the parabola, we can choose 0, 2, we can choose 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6, but in this case we're going to choose 0, 2 since it's a nice one inside the parabola. And then we're going to test another point that's outside of the parabola. Now we can pick any point that's outside of it. So we can say 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0. So in this scenario, we're saying 2, 0. So let's go ahead and plug in the order pair 0, 2 into our inequality. So since x is 0 and y is 2, we're going to substitute it into that inequality. So y is 2, x is 0. So we get 2, which is greater than 0 squared plus 1. And is 2 greater than 1? Yes, it is. So therefore it's true for the ordered pair 0, 2. Now, our other ordered pair is 2, 0. So again, now x is 2, y is 0, and we're going to plug it into our inequality. Now y is 0, x is 2. When we square the 2, we get 4 plus 1 is 5. Now, is 0 greater than 5? No, that is a false statement. So wherever it is true, then what we do is we're going to shade where that ordered pair is located. Now, since 0, 2 is inside the parabola, then we're shading everything inside. And everything outside is not shaded because the point that we chose, 2, 0, was false. So the graph shown in that figure, and we can see that the solution set consists of all the points inside the parabola, but not on the graph itself.